Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This is where Android tracks screen time. Once done, tap Dashboard to load usage stats for today. Make sure to grant any permission prompts. The system needs access to usage data to show accurate times. You'll see a summary graph and top apps listed. That confirms tracking is active. If you want immediate details, tap any app in the list to begin inspecting its screen time now. Once you're in Dashboard, you can dig into specifics. Tap an app to see minutes and usage patterns. Use the graph above to switch from day to week or month so you understand trends versus a single snapshot. To control habits, tap Set Timer for an app to limit daily use, or enable Focus Mode to pause distracting apps during work or bedtime. Make sure to adjust notification settings for heavy apps to reduce reopens, because reduced notifications often drops overall screen time. To finish, review the weekly or monthly trends to spot problem areas. Take screenshots if you need to share or archive totals. Enable bedtime mode or confirm app limits you set are active so the phone enforces breaks for you. If numbers look wrong, first restart the phone, then check for system updates and clear the Digital Wellbeing app cache in Apps Digital Wellbeing. If that still fails, toggle usage access off and on for the app to force a fresh permissions sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.